So I'm going to read a passage from this book, Spirit Matters. It was an article that was published in the Hindustan Times on the 30th of December 2003 under the title, Goodness is a Good Place to Start. Are there good people and bad people? Or is there only a mixture in everyone? It isn't easy to ascertain. Sometimes pleasant or nice people reveal their dark sides, and violent people can be compassionate. Predatory birds nurture their young, and doves are known to be aggressive. So who can we fully trust? The Srimad Bhagavatam 5.18.12, 5th canto, 18th chapter, 12th verse, tells us that all good qualities, such as religion, knowledge, and renunciation, become manifest in one who is unmotivatedly akinchana, devoted to Vishnu, or God. The Marquis Curzon of Kettleston, Viceroy of India from 1898 to 1905, once asked to be awarded Brahminical status. A Hindu adherent informed him that Brahmanism required renouncing liquor, gambling, and meat. The Marquis replied, "That means denying life's existence." He died soon afterward, in 1925, a non-Brahmin. In many ways, the Marquis was a good person. He loved India. He restored the Taj Mahal. He reduced Indian taxes and ordered punishment for any Briton, even British Army members, who ill-treated Indian nationals. But he was politically ambitious and ruthless, some would say. He wanted to be the British Prime Minister, loved collecting titles, and vainly wished to have a male heir who would inherit them. The criteria for the highest Indian caste title, however, were too much for him. Certain habits synonymous with the good life had become ingrained. Suddenly his Brahmana ambition was impossible. But is Brahmanism an ultimate stage? A Vedic fact is that a devotee of God in any faith tradition is fully trustworthy and reliable if his or her devotion is unmotivated or unalloyed. In such persons, personal ambition and gratification are subservient to a purpose in life, beyond gratifying immediate wants. In the Bhagavad Gita, 18th chapter, 43rd text, the quality of a Brahmin includes self-control, austerity, purity, tolerance, honesty, knowledge, and wisdom. Possessing such qualities fully can make us more than God, if you're willing to broaden your concept of God, that is. This is illustrated when Lord Keshava takes the reins of Arjuna's chariot. Here Krishna effectively becomes Arjuna's driver, firmly placing himself in the sutta, or driver, caste. The lesson here is that the devotion is the source of all good qualities. Caste Brahmins, and even those awarded the title of Brahmin, have no exclusive claim on decency, goodness, and love. Hare Krishna.